In this video, I want to show you how Android phone is sharing your phone number with scammers and how you can turn it off because that is very risky and dangerous. So let's go to Android phone screen now to show you how Android phone is sharing your phone number with scammers and how you can turn the features off. On the Android phone, go to settings, scroll down, come to Google, scroll down a bit and come to all services, click on it, then scroll down, come to this section called autofill and password. So you will see phone sharing, click on that phone sharing, you will see is enabled. So what that means is that if you enter a site and type your address and your phone number and save it there, so it has potential of sharing it with third party at request. So to be on the safer side, it's better you turn this function off so that your phone will not be sharing your contacts and phone number with third party without your permission. It's better you turn it off. After you turn it off, let's go back to the second step thing to do. Go to our home screen, open the Google Chrome, then come to these three dots. Click on settings. Then scroll down, come to these addresses and more. See here, save and fill addresses. So when you are online and you are filling your addresses and phone number on sites, so when you save it on one site, it has potential when you enter another site and you are for example, look at the last thing I did, so it has saved automatically. So if I enter another site which may not be trusted, this address may pump up and may be shared. So it's better you turn it off. After you turn it off, it will not be sharing your phone number and address with people. So the next thing to do now, let's head on to our main screen. So come back to settings again. This third one is permission manager. It's located at app management, or you can search for it here. So click on app management, or you can search for permission manager. Click on permission manager. Click on contacts. So we can see the apps that has permission to your contacts. So any apps that you don't want to have access to your contacts, it's better you disable it. For instance, this Pi. So I don't want you to have access to my contacts. So I'll click on it. So you can see I will deny. Click on deny or don't allow, depending on your phone. Then after you have denied it, you can now click on this backspace, and also any other apps that you don't want to have access to your contacts, it's better you turn it off, because these apps, if a strange or fraudulent apps have access to your contacts and your phone number, hackers may use it to hack your phone or to get access to your contacts. So any apps that you don't want to have access to your contact, it's better you turn it off here. So I hope this video is helpful to someone. Like this video and subscribe. Thank you.